After a long, hard day, the last thing you want to do is to clean up another mess. But you're only cleaning the surface level with regular spray mop pads, allowing germs to party in your grout line. Regular spray mop pads won't reach deep into your tile grout lines no matter how hard you scrub. Summoning Grout Genie! Grout Genie is the only spray mop pad with patented brush technology to clean where other pads can't. The bristles scrub deep into your grout lines, and the super absorbent microfiber pads clean up the rest, kicking those germs out of your grout lines and removing grime in the process, making sure your tile is truly clean from top to bottom. So get in the groove. Get Grout Genie.